The YOYATOO Fidget Gel Pen is a unique writing instrument designed specifically for teenage boys aged 12 to 18 who enjoy gadgets that combine functionality with fun. This pen is more than just a tool for writing, it is a creative gadget that integrates a fidgeting mechanism to help users focus and relieve boredom during school or at home. The pen's design features 13 metal tubes that can be assembled, twisted, and reconfigured, allowing teens to spin, click, or build mini shapes, making it an interactive and hands-on distraction during study breaks or creative sessions. This innovative approach to a common item adds a playful element to everyday school life, which many users find appealing. Constructed from premium metal with a triple electroplated finish, the YOYATOO pen is built to be durable and stylish. It has undergone over 1,000 drop tests and 500 grip tests to ensure it can withstand the rough handling typical of active teens. This robust build quality means it can survive being tossed in backpacks, lockers, and endure the busy pace of school days without losing its sleek appearance or functionality. The pen is also designed for comfort, featuring a finger grip that makes it easy to hold during extended writing sessions. The pen writes smoothly with medium 0.5 mm black gel ink, which is appreciated by users who value a quality writing experience. This makes it suitable for note-taking, sketching, or completing homework, combining practicality with entertainment. The retractable closure adds convenience, keeping the pen tip protected when not in use. Its compact size and weight make it easy to carry around, fitting comfortably in pencil cases or pockets. Many customers have praised the YOYATOO Fidget Gel Pen as a perfect gift for teen boys, especially those who are fidgeters or have an interest in unique gadgets. It is frequently given as a stocking stuffer, birthday present, or back-to-school gift. Reviews highlight that it is a hit with boys who enjoy both writing and fidgeting, providing a way to stay engaged and focused in class. Some users have noted it as a great gift for someone who already has everything, emphasizing its novelty and dual-purpose design. While the pen itself functions well as a writing instrument, some users have pointed out that the fidgeting aspect comes from the removable parts rather than the pen mechanism itself. This means that to adjust or create different fidget configurations, the parts need to be taken off and reassembled, which may not suit everyone's preferences for seamless fidgeting. Despite this, the overall feedback remains positive, with many appreciating the combination of a quality gel pen and a fun fidget toy in one. The brand YOYATOO is known for creating innovative products that bring joy to everyday routines. They provide responsive customer service to address any issues, ensuring a worry-free shopping experience. This commitment to customer satisfaction adds value to the product, making it a reliable choice for parents and gift givers. In summary, the YOYATOO Fidget Gel Pen stands out as a cool and functional gadget for teenage boys who want a stylish pen that also serves as a fidget toy. Its durable metal construction, smooth writing performance, and interactive design make it a versatile tool for school and leisure. It is especially well suited for teens who benefit from keeping their hands busy to maintain focus. If you own this pen, leaving a review in the comments can help others make an informed choice. The product link is available in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing this innovative pen.